students from S.T.E.T.H.S High School.
Right.
Today we're here at main high school. This is our booth, and as you can see, we have various products
Right.
that we made. So here we have scallion and onion blend.
Right.
Next we have our fruit wine.
Fruit wine, turn it around, let me see the star fruit wine. Okay, made from star fruit, right?
Yes.
Right.
Over here we have products. This is our chutney, sorrel chutney.
Wow, from sorrel. Oh, those are the ingredients, okay.
Yes.
Right.
We also have the chow chow liquor.
What a name.
Very.
Okay.
And right here we have coconut pumpkin treat that is
Wow.
made from pumpkin.
Oh, so this is like a pastry, right?
Yes.
Okay.
We also have our pancake batter mix made from sweet potato.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
And we also have a sample.
Oh, so you made that from apple, the
We
Jamaican apple.
made this from the pancake, from
Right.
this batter that we
Wow,
made from
wow,
sweet
wow.
potato.
Oh, so this, okay, okay.
Right.
Oh, I don't want her to move it because I want that in my video. I try to know the importance of that.
Next we have our sorrel tea.
Sorrel tea, wow. So you dehydrate these?
Right, and you
Right.
can use it to make your tea like ginger.
Right, right, right. Right. Hey, people, you see this? At the real Jamaica, one time when you usually shine your floor,
Right.
right, from the coconut ox, but they would move this part, the art of it. Yeah, man, so St. Elizabeth Technical High School, that's the name, right? All right, and remind me of your name again. Thank you very much, right? Yeah, man, you can look for yourself on Fun Food Factory, which is a YouTube food channel.